Hey, I am Alexandra and welcome back to my channel Design Without Panic. My picture book come back from the printer and this is it. Look at this. I'm so happy with how it came out. The colors are even better than on my screen. I keep opening it again and again. In the last video, we built this book from scratch, and I promised you the prompts. They are in the description in one file. Today, we turn this book into a coloring book. Same characters, one evening of work, and second product. Let's go!
You may ask why I did not just trace the original art. I tried. It does not work. The original has too many small details and soft shadows. Image trace picks up the shadows, not the shapes. So I made new outline pages from the same scenes. The characters are close but not exactly the same. For a small child, that is fine. Here is what I ask for. The keywords are on the screen. Big simple shapes, clear black lines, no gray, no shading. A small child cannot stay inside teeny details. And it takes a few tries for every page, not one. You may ask why I go to Illustrator at all. The picture is already black and white. The reason is resolution. This file is only 10-20 pixels wide. On a page this size that is about 120 ppi, too low for print. After I trace it, the line stays sharp at any size. Now I check every page one more time. This one is too busy for a small child. Too many little lines. So I go back to ChatGPT to the same chat where I made the other. I drop the picture in and ask for a simple version. The same chat matters. It keeps the style close. Did you catch the mistake? Look at the monkey. He has no body. And yes, the book went to print like that. For my daughter, it does not matter. But if you make a book for a client, get written approval before your print.
Oh!
And that's the whole coloring book. Same characters, same files, one evening of work. If you make books for kids, this is the easiest second product you can add. If this was useful, hit like. It really helps the channel. And subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And next time, we take the same newsletter and make in move. Animation, buttons, and a link you can share. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.